Hello guys, I'm working on one code igniter simple project. This is one task where I need to create a database and then I have to create two tables from this database, employee and department. Then I need to create a department ID in department table and the primary key should be department key and department name. So there will be two columns. Then in the case of the employee table, which will consist of employee ID, that is the primary key for this table, employee name, department ID, that will be the foreign key, salary, designation, employee type, either it's admin or employee, and then email. Also for simplicity, I'm adding one more column here, that is the password, and the password will be the encrypted form. Okay, so that is the database part. Now in code igniter, earlier I started work in code igniter 3. I tried this project, but due to uh, some issues I could not do it in code igniter 3. So there was some compatibility issue, so then I installed code igniter 4. So what I needed to do here, so first of all I needed to create a login page with validation. Then after that I needed to create valid login, and then I need to then employee ID will redirect to a page where the employee personal data is display. And then I need to display list of all employees coming from the employee table in database. Then the employee list should display all the employee data and department name of employee. There should be an option to add, delete and update employee from view, and while adding, updating, validation are required, and email should be unique. So this after as of admin, after valid login, they will redirect to a page where all employee data is displayed. The employee data page consists of the following. Okay, so this should be seen after admin login. So first of all, I just installed the code igniter using composer and uh, and I changed in database.php, which was under the root Chandra. That is my project name. Inside that there is a directory called app, and inside that there is a database. So I changed database name is Chandra Prakash, and host name localhost, and username root, and password this will be the blank. Then I tried, so this was done. Then I created a auth controller, that is the controller. So this is based on the MVC, model view controller. Okay, so I created one admin controller which will extend the base controller, and this and before that I need to create a employee model. So for employee model, there is a folder called models, which is under the app folder, and I created the employee model here. I created a class employee model which extends the model, then protected table employee, protected primary key ID, and protected allowed field name, department ID, salary, designation, employee type, email, and I should use here password also. I should use here password. So make it correct, password. So check in your, what do you call, in your PHP my admin, that your column matched, your column are matching with your model. If these are matching, then this is the correct way. So password, so protected allow field name, department, salary, designation, employee type, email and password. Then I created a function called get employee with department, and this select employee star employee name as department name, join department, department id equal to employee dot department id, and find all. And this is my complete employee model. Second thing, I created a department model. So here I created class department model which extend the model, then protected table department, protected primary key id, and protected allow field name. Okay, so these are two models I created. Now comes to the admin controller. So in admin controller I created admin controller extend base controller, then public function is equal to dashboard. Then I create a employee model object, and this will return view admin colon dashboard. So this view will come from the root. So I created route. So the route was like that: login, this is auth controller login, login authenticate, auth controller authenticate, logout, auth controller logout. Second, admin dashboard, this is the admin controller dashboard, admin add, admin controller add employee, then admin save, admin controller save employee. So admin slash delete number, so admin controller, again employee slash dashboard, so employee controller, then admin dashboard employee controller, then employee dashboard employee controller. So these are the routes I need to create. Routes are generally for the, what do we call, relationship between our action, our controller and view. So this route we have done. Again I'll come to admin controller. Okay, so here the main thing is, this is your admin controller, and you have already created routes for this. Second controller was the auth controller which will extend the base controller, and here you will see the email and password for the admin. Okay, this is for the admin, public function authenticate. So if I will use here validation, if employee type is equal to admin, if employed, then it will return the admin dashboard, or otherwise employee dashboard. So in the local host we will, okay, in the starting we have created session, and here we are, can you check session? Yeah, we started session in the password underscore verify function, and then we will finish it in the destroy. So this is the auth controller. Third is the base controller, which is already there in your system. Then dashboard controller. So in dashboard controller, if session get logged in and session get employee type is not equal to admin, so it will redirect to login, if not admin. And if it's this, then it will go to the admin dashboard employee. Then another controller I made is the employee controller. So public function dashboard return employee dashboard. This is not completed yet. And one is the home. So home was already there. So this is the controller. Route we have done, controller we have done. Now comes to the view. So we have to, so the views folder is under the Chandra, and then app, and then the view folder. So we will create a admin folder here, and inside that we will create a dashboard.php where our HTML form will be there, which we will see in the front. So ID, name, department, salary, designation, email. So we will fetch from the table, and then we will redirect it to admin at whatever we want to send it, like edit, delete. Okay, another folder is the auth folder inside the views, and inside that we have the login.php. So in login.php we will send it to login/authenticate, which we have already discussed in the route. Then email, then password, then submit for login. Then there is a employee folder, and inside that we have ID, name, department, salary, designation, email. Okay, then we will fetch ID, name, department, salary, designation, and then there will be the edit and delete option also. Then inside employee we have the list.php. This is the employee list. Then we have view.php. So this is the name, salary. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard done. Dashboard is also done. Login is also done. So right now where I reached, I have already this one, localhost, Chandra, public, and login. So let us suppose I entered my email here, and the password admin 123 is my password, and if I log in, so it goes to admin dashboard, and here we see a list of like name, employee, user, admin user, and some we have given some dummy data inside this. So right now this edit option is not working, and this delete option is not working. I will work on this. Even I can't add employee here, so we'll work on this. So this is for the employee, this is for the admin side. Now if I go from the employee email, so employee email, and then admin 123 is the password. So this is throwing an error. Inside employee there is a dashboard file, employee, and there is a dashboard. So this is throwing an error. So this thing we have to resolve. So I will share update on this task when I'll complete this work, and then till that, bye.